Okay, good afternoon, Kyra. So your shelter was supposed to be at the desert. Can you tell me about the shelter you made?
I made a home, I mean a shelter, and to color the shelter in white, it was so hard. And
Why did you color the shelter in white? What do you think that shelter should be made out of in the desert?
from play.
From clay. Good idea. Could you tell me about some of the materials you used here to make your shelter and your
my-
location?
My mom brought these flowers and it was a hard work to do this, and I put these leaves, and I did just one. I did a tree.
Yeah, the desert doesn't have many trees, does it?
I did 2 trees.
How do you think your shelter would protect people in the desert?
When it rains and when it is so cold, and when there's a storm.
So it's very hot in the desert. It's very, very hot in the desert. There's a lot of sun. Why did you say that the shelter would be made of clay?
Because they couldn't do. They could just do with clay or rocks.
That's what the material they had in the desert?
Yeah.
Okay, good thinking. And last question, what was the most important thing you think that they need in a shelter in the desert?
It's
Very, very hot in the desert. What do you think would be important?
shelter.
To keep away from the sun?
Yeah.